identity collapse, which nobody talks about. Yes, today in this video we are going to talk about identity collapse, which no one generally likes to talk about. Yes, so no one generally likes to talk about because it is about insecurity. Now, do you know why you feel insecure and underconfident? Is because you attach your identity to your job, to your performance, to your achievement. So what happens is when you perform well, when you perform really well, when you achieve something, when you're really doing good at your career, your job, so you feel fantastic. Your self-confidence goes up, your self-worth goes up, you're like very happy. But the moment something goes wrong, like suppose a project fails or a deal doesn't close, promotion doesn't happen, so the confidence goes down, right? You feel terrible, like you just internalize it so much, you take it so much personally, and you feel that I'm worthless, I'm useless, I'm good for nothing. Always I do have to prove myself to my boss, and all those thoughts surround your mind. This is called identity collapse. Now let's talk about how to come out of this identity collapse. I have seen a lot of my clients who are corporate professionals, they are doing really well at work. But when they come home, they are like completely empty because their identity is linked with only one pillar, that is job. And when that one pillar shakes, what happens is the whole thing, everything in their world shakes. Now, I'm going to share with you a very fascinating things, okay, about a research which was done on few Nobel Prize winner scientists, okay. It was found that all of these scientists, around like 5 of them out of these 10 Nobel Prize winners, so they used to involve themselves into some creative hobbies. So these creative hobbies are like, dancing, somebody was into singing, painting, or writing poetry, right? So that's the reason the self-acceptance was more, okay? They were not affected by what's happening around them, and they had more emotional balance. Now, what you can do is try to involve yourself with some creative hobby, whatever you like. If you like singing, go and join singing classes, or randomly you just can, learn singing from YouTube. And if you are a passionate singer, you can just put some singing videos, right? Or just listen or just sing. So whatever you're doing, but you should feel elated. You should feel very happy after doing that, right? It can be dance, it can be painting, it can be writing poetry or reading poetry, anything, or gardening. Involve in that so much that at some part of the day you can pour yourself completely into that, so that whatever is happening at your work, even if you're successful, even if you're not successful, it doesn't matter at all. So these creative hobbies remind you that I'm much more than my success. I'm much more than my results. If you want to work on your identity, your self-worth, do book a free mentoring session with me and WhatsApp us on this number. If you really like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.